welcome to lesson 8 of Cursive Lessons. We are going to be focusing on H, K, X, U, Y, and V today. Alright, let's jump right in. So for H, capital letter H, we're going to do kind of like that same motion that we would do for a capital N or M to start with. Then we're going to pick up our pen off the paper. I know that's not something we're supposed to really do all the time, but with capital H and some other letters, we have to. So we're going to do this motion here, then pretty close to it, we're going to come back up and we're going to make kind of that little swan head, but come down straight to the line. Okay. Then we're going to trace up. We're going to go slightly above the middle line. We're going to make a loop going out to the middle line. Okay, watch me again. We're going to go straight down like that. Come up with our swan head, trace, and make a loop. Okay. Loop and out. Okay. When you feel comfortable, go ahead and try it. Make sure that that middle loop hits that first line, okay? It's kind of like having a backwards candy cane and then a front candy cane with a ribbon on it. Just like that, okay? Go ahead and try when you're ready. And then circle your best one. Okay, we're going to go ahead and practice some K's. So we're going to do the same motion. You'll notice why we're doing these in the same page, in the same lesson. We're going to do that line again, that backwards candy cane. Now, instead of coming down and tracing back up like with the H, for the K we're going to do that front-facing candy cane, but it's going to flip and come down. Okay. Alright, now we're going to try the capital K. Okay, you're going to notice we're going to do the same backwards candy cane motion like with the H, and then we're going to connect. See how I kind of made it a little bit of a weird looking S, and then I'm going to trace and come back out just like that. Okay. Candy cane, touch the middle, and come back out. Okay, you don't want to loop there because then it'll look too much like the H. Make it a little thinner if you like. Just like that. Just as long as you're touching at that middle line and coming back out, you're doing great. Okay, go ahead and circle your favorites. So this one, and we're going to move on to our X. Okay. Alright, so capital X, just like with the lowercase x, instead of starting down here, we're going to start at the top line, and we're going to do that little squiggle that we did before. So we're starting here, and then we're like, whoop, kind of like a slide for a pool. Okay. Then we're going to come through, and right where that line crosses the middle, that's where we want it to cross. Okay, just like that with a straight line. Okay, so we're going to come through, do our little slide, and then straight slanty line like that. Right through that middle as much as we can. Okay, try to slant this bottom one so that it looks more like an X. If you go straight up and down, you can't really X through it, and it gets a little more difficult. So try and have it slope as much as you can, but within reason. Okay, go ahead and pick your best one. I like this one. Okay, and then we're going to practice some words. All right. So the first word we're going to practice is happy. So we're going to come up, backwards candy cane, then we're going to go front candy cane, trace up, touch, and then I'm going to go right into my A, down into a P, down into another P, and then my Y. Okay, you can also do it this way, and just have your A close. Either way is okay. As you learned cursive and you get faster at it, your cursive will take on a little bit of its own characteristics. Not everybody's cursive look exactly the same, but the letters should be formed very, very close to what we're learning. Okay, let's go ahead and add a couple more. Let's do a name this time. Let's do Kim. Okay, so we're going to use a K. Remember, we're going to slope in, touch, come back out into our I, and then our M. Okay, so that's the name Kim. Alright, let's try hugs. And then to practice our X, let's go ahead and do XOXO, like hugs and kisses. Okay, or slope, straight, O, slope, straight, O. Okay. We're going to continue lesson 8 into the U, Y, and V capital letters. So we're going to go into our U. My kids love this one because it's very similar to a regular U. So we're going to go up here like our candy cane, but we're going to slope it up like this, trace down, and come up. That's it, capital U. Just like that. We're just giving it a little fancy on the front. Try to slant your letters. There you go. I like this one. Go ahead and circle your favorite. Okay, we're going to go into a Y next. It looks almost exactly like the U, except we're going to go below the line instead of swooping up right away. So we're going to do the same motion like this, but we're going to trace all the way below the line and swoop up like that. Okay. Boom. When you're comfortable, go ahead and try it. Make sure that you're coming through pretty much on that bottom line. Just like that. Okay. Pick your favorite. Oh, I love all my Y's. I'm going to pick this one though. Let's go ahead and practice our V. V is a little different than the U in that we stay up towards the top. We don't want to be hanging out at the bottom, making it look like a U. So we're going to go like this, come down, come up, and like that. My kids call it the vase because you could put a flower in it. So So we go up, down, keep it thin, don't make it too wide, and that's it, just like that. That's your cursive V. Alright, pick your favorite one. I'm gonna go with that one. And let's write some words. Remember, if I'm going too fast, go ahead and pause or slow me down. It won't bother me a bit. All right. Let's try the word very. Come up, down, keep it close. We're gonna end up there, then come in with our E, R, Y. Keep that E close at the bottom. Doesn't have to touch, but keep it close so it looks like it's in the same word. And do vary a couple of times to practice. Okay. Let's try the word young with a Y. So we're going to come out, down, up, trace all the way down, across the bottom line, into our O, U, N, G. Okay. Good job. All right. Last word for lesson 8 is going to be unicorn. All right, so we're going to start with our U. Trace down, but stop. Come up into our N, I, C, O, R, N. Go ahead and try. And that's unicorn. All right, thank you for joining me. Hope to see you for lesson 9.